Hadun riu pon Samton Sohtrun na Meghalaya, lalaban Pynïaid yo ha Tamasa bala penlong ha New Delhi, nadu ka Shillong hadu ka Khat Sau tarik unaitung araja arpusau. Loong balapha hadu kendai ton Sohtrun sakani ka Tamasa ka bala tip ha ka tin English kum ka Pineapple Festival araja arpusau, ya ka bala penlong da ka sarkar jela ha Delhi hat. Hakasi penkut ya kata masa Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kiesangma ulalej ban jengoi bat banya kendu iki nongrap bat ki kenhun beper ki bawan de Sohtrun hakini kisan sngi
ngadina Shillong and then ngawan pudi hangni Noida IIT tiam Noida regarding this ini ka Pineapple Festival tengah recommend kenau yang masih new Sohtrun ru ini ubang bah kenau yang ha nama ngadan i bahagian jangan bahasa Ashania te kidan connection bat ki Meghalaya tourism te ngayok na se hangane ngaso kemen nama at least na ka north east ka Meghalaya ka kampau bah hangnia nama masen poi ha institute hi masen te bang ade na Meghalaya kyong ba ki kan ma wi new Sohtrun hi ngase ngade na mo pruat naroma kuliah ha Pondicherry University sama tangga Suwan sini tang banai internship mentang orang kuliah jang MBA Travel and Tourism Management yang internship ha tour operation Oriental Vacation dia kuliah nado college ya kendo ila perlak nado kuliah college hali dikin college yang ha
Meghalaya Pineapple Festival. As you're aware, we started this festival last year, and the objective really was to allow the products that our farmers, almost 50,000 farmers are involved in pineapple plantation and farming, and almost 35,000 metric tons of pineapple is produced in Meghalaya every year. And the objective is to really expose and give a market to our farmers. We realize that almost 50% of it gets spoiled because we are not able to market on time. So we are hopeful that festivals like these will bring out more opportunities for our farmers and be able to get a better market, a better price for the products that they're making. This is also an opportunity for us to start somewhere because it's not just pineapple. We are also exposing and giving a taste of our culture to the people, of our different customs. We're also giving a taste to our entrepreneurs and exposure to them, allowing them to connect to other entrepreneurs and other markets. So there is a larger picture and larger goal behind this festival, but a festival is a very positive way to send that message. And that's why we are very happy with the response. Last year we got good response. This year the response has been even better. And it's a process, and we do expect that this Pineapple Festival will become an annual calendar event where people will be looking forward to this particular festival every year. And we're hopeful that with this, many of our farmers will be able to get the kind of benefit that they deserve, the market that they deserve. This is being done for our farmers. This is being done for our entrepreneurs. We are happy that they have participated, and we are thankful to the organizers and everybody who has helped us in making this program a success. And obviously we thank all the public that has been so positive and so enthusiastic to come forward and be part of this particular Pineapple Festival. So I wish again the festival the very best, and today in fact we're at the closing. Our response has been great, and we look forward to next year's festival.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong. Ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kira shon jong menta ubnai.
Ha ta.
Ba ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umde ubabha.
Kong. Kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi ki kta ya ka kot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya ka met ka phat jongi Ila banyo ya kejingpang dunasnam mat kejing bria ki Khmat.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jiga dai kumno.
Yo iya kejingtei ya kamet kapan kejungi nak jingbam kabangi bam man lakasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jungkine ngengat hagi babun ke jajingpa ka sorkar ka persangkat bala banwanra ya ka kot ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha bau khau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ompnyang bam. Kidai bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu sanpo persen kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki da ka sharp plus F haki.
Ba uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne ai.
Nang ni kong nagani ka daw ka sorkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS, MDM, PDS kabha na ka benta upaj ba. Ka sorkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan da ka ba kilapha daw khau ba bhatam na ka benta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata ka daw patang da uni ujat khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni Shakman. Tang da khau 45.
Ba fikrannya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.